Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the best way to learn Linux. If you're just starting out, this guide is for you. First things first, set up your learning environment. You've got two options, a virtual machine or a physical installation. A virtual machine is great for beginners. Use software like VirtualBox or VMware to create a virtual Linux environment on your existing computer. This way, you can experiment without messing up your main OS. It's like having a sandbox to play in, safe and sound. But if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you might want to install Linux on an older laptop or desktop. Distributions like Ubuntu or Linux Mint are user-friendly and perfect for getting started. Okay, now that you've got your setup, let's get learning. Start with the basics. Get familiar with the command line, common commands, and the file system structure. This might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's easier than it looks. Next, practice with some exercises. Try installing software, creating and managing files, setting up user accounts, and configuring basic settings. Hands-on practice is key here. Don't forget to use online resources. Websites like Linux Journey offer interactive tutorials that are super helpful. And if you're into gamified learning, Hack the Box has some fun challenges that can boost your skills. Reading documentation is also crucial. The man pages, short for manual pages, are your best friend. They provide detailed info on commands and utilities. Now here's a big tip. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Experimentation and trial and error are part of the learning process. You'll learn more from your mistakes than from getting everything right the first time. Also, engage with the Linux community. There are tons of forums and online communities where you can ask questions and get support. You'll find that people are generally very willing to help out. And lastly, keep practicing. Use Linux regularly. Explore new features and tools. The more you use it, the more comfortable you'll become. By actively engaging with Linux, you'll gain a deeper understanding of its capabilities and learn how to use it effectively for your needs. So get started today. Happy Linuxing! If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.